Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Mackenzie-Childs inspired Easter eggs in basket. I made mine for only $5, and Mackenzie-Childs set would cost you $125. That's a huge savings. Okay, so the supplies that you will need to make your basket and your eggs are some regular Easter eggs. And I painted them white with regular paint. And then I got this really cute little white tub from Hobby Lobby on sale for 99 cents. I'm going to use light brown decorative shred to go under my eggs in the basket. I got these cute little stickers at the Hobby Lobby for $1.99 that I'm going to use to put on my eggs instead of painting the flowers on. I'm going to be using black and white paint. I chose the metallic kind, and also black and white paint markers. I actually found out that I'm going to use a lot of other colors in both paint and paint markers. And then lastly, some pearls. Okay, let's get started. I always choose to draw on my pattern first in pencil, and then I'll go over it with a black paint marker. So I'm going to let this guy dry for a little while, and I'm going to give a primer coat to my basket and some of my eggs. Okay, now I'm going to put the checkered pattern on my little tub. I found that it was easier if I outline it with pencil first. So this is where we're going to make your Mackenzie-Childs pattern come to life. You'll need to cut away any strays on your paintbrush so it's a good solid square. So I'm going to have the white paint and go over my white squares with just a tad tiny little bit of a yellow and the blue. You can see I just use a very little bit, and I try to get it in a sweeping kind of streaking motion. And always make sure that that's the direction your paintbrush is moving whenever you're trying to do your squares as well. Next, it's time to add the flower stickers onto our first egg. I really love how these stickers just turned out perfect. It was like they were the exact ones I needed to get the look I was going for. Now after I get them on, I'm going to use a paintbrush and do some greenery and leaves around the flowers. I'll actually find that doing them with a paint marker tends to be a little bit easier, but both techniques worked well. Okay, now on to our second egg, and we are going to do the Courtly Check inspired pattern on the top and bottom, and we're going to have a strip through the center where we will place our flower stickers. And our third egg and final one we are going to do for this basket is going to have the Courtly Check pattern in the center of the egg, and then both ends will be covered with the flower pattern. Okay, so we've almost finished with the third egg, and then we are going to put our basket together. So get your basket, your light brown shed, and then put it in there, and then put your eggs on top, and voila. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe to my channel for more fun projects.